Mendel.
Hey, dude.
What do you think of that?
Oh, it looks great. It says giver, and I like to give.
Rev, Northern Mauler, Glenn Fricker, collaboration, the best of Canada on YouTube, and also in your hands in studio if you choose to buy one.
Sounds cool. I like it. This one doesn't have a funny name. It's just kind of cool, and it sounds good. The blocker was good because it made you silent, and that's what I like. It's quiet Glenn. This one's gonna make you louder, and I don't want that, but you might. It's gonna with the guitar sound, vroom vroom.
This thing really mauls your eardrums.
So it's a white pedal with a lot of knobs on it. You can press this. I've never seen this before in my life. Never played one of those. I have no idea what it does, actually.
Who the fuck are you anyway?
So it's a not American, not Swedish chainsaw, not major label brand pedal. Not like I have one of these at home or anything.
I have one, it's great. Does the chainsaw thing, does the thick sound thing, and yeah, Glenn's not gonna yell at you if you use one.
How do you like them apples?
Hey everybody, how's it going? So got a real special guest on the show today from the band Monuments. We've got Mr. John Brown, also owner of, what's the name of your studio in England?
I call it Bear Noise Studio.
And where are you located?
I'm located in the lovely town or county of Yorkshire, and town-wise, too close to Bradford.
Nobody knows where the fuck that is. It's next to the fish and chip shop.
Yeah, or somewhere where people go to guzzle gravy.
Okay, there you go. Fantastic. How far are you from your local neighborhood pub, by the way?
Literally seconds.
There you go. Perfect.
Yeah.
That's one thing I love about England is the pub culture. It's amazing.
Yeah,
it is really something special about the UK. So, and I think we're going to visit next week. So.
Oh yeah, you are. Yeah.
So
yeah, we're
should,
going to go
should be very cool. Actually, yeah, that should be cool. Anyway, let's cut the bullshit here, John. It's fantastic to have you on the show. So today we are showing off my signature pedal through Rev Amplification, and that is the Northern Mauler. And this is kind of a cross between the Rev G3, you know, the purple one, which everybody loves, and the classic Swedish chainsaw. And basically what we've got here is we've got the G3 side here, we've got the chainsaw side here, and a nice little blender control. And that's all there is to it. So I'm just going to take you through it real quick here. Just want to show you guys what it can do for your amp. So if we've got a brand new Blackstar amp over here, and there's no camera on it. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay, so we've got the brand new Blackstar. I don't even think we can show this yet. Don't worry. No. This video is not going to come out this September anyway. So we've got the brand new Blackstar amp here, which is a pretty good pedal platform in clean mode. Like, just give a few riffs there, John. And it gets real interesting here when we kick on the Mauler and we get something this. That was pretty cool. That was like in full-on G3 mode, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I wanted the classic Rev purple channel sound because I just absolutely adore that, and that works really well through that amp. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the blend over here. We're going to kind of go into extreme Swedish chainsaw mode. Let's see what you can do, John.
Chainsaw.
Yeah, that's kind of insane. And the one thing I love to do is blends between, like normal distortion and like chainsaw distortion. Because some of my favorite rhythm tones on metal albums ever had a little of that HM2 going on. At the gates, that kind of thing. You put on Slaughter of the Soul, that's all HM2 just cranked to 1,000,000, and it sounds so great.
Yeah, and also obviously big shout out to Wolverine Blues by Emperor.
Bruh. You mean Entombed?
Fuck, it was Entombed.
I saw them on that tour, actually. Okay, story time.
Yes, it was my brain.
I went to that show, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, story time with Glenn. Okay, so here we go. One of the coolest things I ever saw was Entombed on stage at that tour. They were playing Harpos in Detroit, and a fight broke out in the pit, and one guy was getting jumped on.
Yeah.
And they stopped the show and they said, "Whoa, hold on, what the hell is going on here? 9 guys on 1. Wow, you guys are brave. Here's an idea. Why don't you get up on stage here and take us on? We'll take you. let's go. And they all just ran away.
Wow.
I was just like, okay, massive respect for Entombed. That was absolutely unforgettable. So if anybody from Entombed ever watches the show, guys, I was in the audience that night and I was very impressed. You guys handled that brilliantly.
I can't believe I said it was fucking Emperor.
Yeah, I'm sure the Entombed guys are going to be real impressed by that too.
Sorry, lads.
Now, the cool feature about this is we can do a bit of a blend as well from the two different distortion voicings. And we're going to do that right now. John, play for a little bit, and I'm just going to bring this over and show you what we can do. That is super cool. I absolutely love what this pedal can do. We were working on it for quite a while before we finally got it dialed in. Got to say a big thanks to Dan at Rev Amps for just making such an amazing pedal. Of course, the whole point here on Spectre Sound Studios is how does it sound in a mix? So let's run the full mix right now. So that was 4 channels. That was 2 channels regular distortion, 2 channels with the Mahler in chainsaw mode. You get a lovely blend. It sounds awesome. And if you're doing a lot of metal rhythm tones at your place, you should definitely check the pedal out. You can find it over at smgpedals.com. I'll have a link in the description below. Make sure you check it out.
It rules.
All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for dropping by. Thanks, John, for being on the show. And as always, only you can prevent children.